In this section, we will see big data and machine learning. In this video, we will see data virtualization. We have already discussed about the architecture of the big data, so this section would be much easier to understand. Look at the diagram of data virtualization. Looks familiar, right? Data virtualization is a modern data integration approach, which create real-time, integrated views of data from structured or semi-structured or unstructured data sources, whether on-premise or in the cloud, to support data service for business transactions, analytics, and other workload patterns without replication. However, you ever wonder if the photo that you are uploading online is stored the same way as you are seeing it? How many databases are having it? How does the machine learning of this site identify if the photo that you have uploaded weeks ago has sensitive content? You are probably familiar with the concept of data virtualization if you store photos on the social network site Facebook. When you upload a photo to Facebook from your desktop computer, you must provide the upload tool with information about the location of the photo or the photo's file path. Once it has been uploaded to Facebook, however, you can retrieve the photo without having to know its new file path. In fact, you will have absolutely no idea where Facebook is storing your photo because Facebook software has an abstraction layer that hides that technical information. This abstraction layer is what is meant by some vendors when they use the term data virtualization. In this context, the binary bits of the image would be stored in the database as blob or binary large object. So the next time you visit the album where the photos is uploaded, it would be queries and displayed to you on its unified format. So here, as you can see, we have already seen this in section 2. In the discussion of Big Data SQL, because Big Data SQL is all about data virtualization, delivery of unified data from different sources in real time. This ends my discussion about data virtualization.